How you doing, folks? This is Fred Levi, Vice President of Sales, here to prove my score. In this video, what we wanted to talk about was your FICO score and the second highest portion of how the score is calculated. And this section has to do with credit utilization. And what is credit utilization? Credit utilization is based on your revolving accounts. And what you do is you take your balance, you divide that by your limit, and that gives you a percentage of how much your account is utilized. So for example, if you have $1,000 credit limit and your credit card has a balance of say $800, that's 80% utilized. And what I wanted to do in this video is kind of teach you how to manipulate this section of the credit report to help boost your scores. So the best way and easiest way to maneuver around in this section of your FICO score is to getting your utilization between 1 and 7%. Now I know it's very hard to get there sometimes when you have large balances and just don't have the money to help bring those balances down. But this is something that's very important to learn how to use your credit, because this is what's going to show the creditors that you're responsible, two, you know how to manage your accounts, and three, you're just taking care of business. So I always teach my clients to make sure to set their payments up on automatic payment. Now, what I wanted to also mention here in this video was a way that we can help you here to prove my score. We can help you to help make your payments on your balances. And how can we do that? It's very simple. All you have to do is refer your family and friends, anybody that you know that needs credit repair. We would love to be able to help them, and we'd love to be able to help you lower your utilization rates. So by referring family and friends, anybody who does get signed up with our services, we will provide you monetary compensation of $25. Now, depending on how many people you refer, anything over 10 in a month, you'll get $50 over the 10 people that you refer. So just a little something to think about, something that can help help you guys earn some money while you guys get your credit repair done, or if you're getting it done through our company or another company. If you know somebody, we'd love to be able to help give you that referral fee and help you to lower your utilization rate. Now, this counts for 30% of your score. And again, in the previous video, what we did speak about the credit range on a FICO score, which is 300 on the low end, 850 on the high end, leaving us a difference of 550 points. Now, this section of your credit utilization counts for 30% or 165 points. So in this section, just know that you're able to earn up to 165 points. Now, as far as how exactly that works, FICO doesn't release the algorithms that they use to give us these figures, but the lower your ratio, the higher your points. Now, a quick and easy way for me to explain it of what I've seen looking at thousands of credit reports over my lifetime in credit repair is every percentage point that your utilization is up counts for approximately 1 point. So if you're utilized at 80%, you're losing approximately 80 points. Now, if you were able to bring that down between 1 and 7%, you'd gain about another 70 points or so. So every 10 percentage points is going to be about 10 points in your FICO score. So hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. You can always send our team an email if you want me to do a video for you guys at info@provemyscore.com. Again, this is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales here to Prove My Score. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and share the video with somebody you think might benefit from the information being taught today. And I'd also like to ask you to subscribe to the video and hit the notification bell, so that way when we do come out with a new video, you will be notified. So with that being said, again, thank you for watching, taking the time to watch the video. I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys have a great day.